Hey guys! Alright, now it's time to learn about what project you're going to do this week. You are going to make your own mandala. You're going to either draw one or you can make one like we said with art supplies or with rocks and leaves. Just make sure that when you make your circle, whatever you put in one section is same all the way around. So you figure out how you want to make your mandala and then you just make sure everything is equal. Okay, add lots of stuff to it. Make a Flipgrid and upload it to Google Class. The Flipgrid is working now. I did fix that link, so it's good to go. Sorry about that for last week, but it's all good. If you need any help, please contact me. You can email me. You can go to my Google Meet office hours at 11 o'clock. The links are in Google Classroom. Call up it to the school. Whatever you need, I'm here to help. Y'all have fun creating your mandalas. I can't wait to see them. Bye.